Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today in this video, I am going to show the output of my Java code. This code created by my own, which is belongs to shopping. That means whenever we are going to any mall or supermarket, we purchase some items. After purchasing items, we get bill in the form of digital or printed. Nowadays, the shopping will be happen through mobile phones only. That means through some mobile applications like Flipkart, Amazon, Meesho, etc. After completing shopping in mobile phones, finally we get the complete information about our shopping, and it also asks about our personal details like name, phone number, etc. Finally, it shows the complete information and the total bill. These all things are works on the basis of coding only. Okay. By taking this as a reference, I created a mini project. So let's see. Okay, this is my private code. Observe, total line 13 lines are there. This is private code. Oh, sorry, this is my private code. Okay, now I want to execute this code. Right click, run as Java application. This is my output. I want to maximize, then double click on console. Okay, this is my output. Welcome to more market. The first statement which is going to execute is, if you want to see our list of items, this is first execution. If you want to see our list of items, please type 1. Else, if I type 2, what happens? Let's see. If I type other than 1, 2 or 3, what happens? Your entered value is not there. Choose correct option. Welcome to more market. Okay, if you want to see our list of items, please type 1. For seeing list of items, it is need to type 1 only, then enter. This is our list of items. Fruits, vegetables, cosmetics, masala powders exist. Exist means if you don't want to do shopping, you can exist. Then please choose your option. I want to go through with fruits. Press 1. Are you sure? If yes, type 1. If not, type 2. If I type 2, what happens? Let's see. Type 2. It shows again the main list. That is nothing but fruits, vegetables, cosmetics, masala powders. Okay. Again, I want to go through fruits only. Press 1. Yes, this time I'm sure. Okay, choose product code. That nothing of fruit code. Mango 101. Are you sure? If yes, type 1. If not, type 2. If you want to see main list, type 3. Please type 3. Yes, I'm sure. Mango, how many kgs do you need? I need 5 kgs. Enter. Press 1 for continue shopping. Press 2 for stop here and get bill. Press 3 for exit. First, I want to press 1. Continue shopping. This time I am going go through vegetables. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. Potato, green chili, tomato, cucumber. This is very tasty. Enter. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. So this time I want to show you. If not, type 2, what happens? Let's see. Type 2. You observe, again it shows the list of vegetables. Okay, for our confirmation, if I am not sure, at that time I can type 2, then I can choose a required vegetable again. Okay, this time I want to choose potato because cucumber I don't like this time. Are you sure? Yes. Potato, how many kgs do you need? I need 6 kgs. Enter. For continue, yes, I want to continue shop 1. This time I want to go through cosmetics. Enter. In cosmetics, what there? See, please choose your product code. Hair oil, shampoo, face wash, soap. Face wash 303 or hair oil 301. Okay, this time I want to type 3 for showing purpose. What happens if I type 3? Okay, type 3 means if you want to see main list, please type 3. So it shows main list. Okay, this time again I want to go through cosmetics. Yes, product is shampoo, either our choice. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. How many do you need? I need one only. Then press enter. Again it asks press 1 for continue shopping. Yes, I want to continue shopping again. This time I am going to masala powders. Then press 4 and enter. Are you sure? If yes, type 1. If not, type 2. Yes, I am sure. Which powder you want? Chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, pepper powder. Chili powder, yeah. But chili powder, type 4, not 1. That is product code. Then enter. Are you sure? If yes, type 1. If not, type 2. Yes, I am sure. How many kgs do you need? I want for Ecuador 9 kgs. That's casually. Okay. Then press enter. Okay. I completed all items which are present in main list. I want to stop here. So, and to go to bill section. For that, press 2, stop here and get bill. Press 2, then enter. Oh, here it asks enter your name. Yes, my name is Khairuddin. And enter your address. Okay, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, then enter your contact number. Oh, okay. Please check and enter your animal. What happened? Oh, I enter only 5 digits. That's why it's not accepting. So enter exact. If I enter 11 digits, what happens? Here I enter 10 digits. Okay. Welcome to more market. Serial number, product name, product code, quantity, price, total price. Serial number. In product name, mango, potato, shampoo, chili powder. This is product code. Quantity, I purchase mango 5 kgs, potato 6 kgs, shampoo 1 quantity, chili powder 9 kgs. Total bill is 1985 rupees. Hey Khairuddin, congrats, you receive a discount of 5%. Oh, I received discount 99.25. My final bill is 1885 rupees 75 paisa. Okay, this is customer details. Khairuddin, Andhra Pradesh. This is my phone number. This is not my exact phone number. Okay, here again one statement is there. If you want to do shopping again, press 1. If you forget anything, you can shopping again. Then let's see. Press 1. First see by typing 1, then we observe by typing 2. Okay, first go through 1, then enter. Again it shows main list. For example, first I want to choose fruits again. If I type double one, what happens? Your enter value is not there. Choose correct option. Okay. 2. If I am not entering the digits which are present beyond the 1 to 5, it shows your enter value is not there. That means you need to enter digits from 1 to 5 only, else we get this warning, your enter value is not there. Choose correct option. I entered 2. Okay, 2 is there. That's why. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. It shows again list of vegetables. Again this time I want to choose green chili. Enter. Are you sure? If yes, type 1. Yes. How many kgs? I want to 2 kgs. 1. This time I want to stop here only. 2. Okay, then press enter. Again name, address, phone number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. What happens? Please check and enter valid number. This time I entered more than 10 digits. That's why again it shows please check and enter valid number. Okay, it need to enter 10 digits only. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then enter. Observe, green chili row is again added to the my. Okay, if I press 2, what happens? Then type 2, then enter. Type 2 means once again thank you for shopping. I want to end here. I don't want to shopping again. That is the meaning of type 2. One command is left, then that's why I want to show again. Here one command is left, that is exit, so I want to show that command also. That's why I come here and come to here again, press 1, fruits, not. If I here press 5, what happens? Are you sure? Yes, I want to exit. Successfully exited. For exiting purpose, we are using this option. If you want to see our list of items, please type on. Then again it asks vegetables 203. Are you sure? If yes, type 1. If not, type 2. Yes, I am sure. Potato. CC. I want to show exist option, press 1. This I want to show this option. Okay, again I want to choose product code. Are you sure? If yes, type 1. If not, type 2. Yes, I am sure. 5 kgs I need. Here you enter, press 3. What happens? You will exit here only. Okay, successfully exited. That means your shopping is stopped here. That means your shopping is cancelled. Okay. Hey guys, observe here. Here the product code numbers are present from 101 to 104. 105 is not there. If I enter the value which is not present in the list, what happens? Let's see. 105. You entered value is not there. Choose correct option. It means we have to enter the value which is present in the list only. Okay. 101. How many cases? Then yes, I am sure. How many cases? Just I want 1 kg. Then I want to stop here. Name Cairo. This project I am doing this for understanding purpose. AP number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Stop here. Let's observe here. I entered mango 1 kg. The bill is 205. Here observe. Sorry Cairo, you are not received any discount. That means if your bill is exceed 1000, then only we get discount. Else we are not getting any discount. This customer details. Okay. Here if I enter 2, what happens means, let's see, type 2, then enter. That means I don't want to do shopping, I want to stop here. That is the meaning of press 2. Okay, this is the total output of my code. Thanks for watching. If you are enjoying my video, please do subscribe and share with your friends, and please give your feedback in comment box. Thank you guys.